Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some country chic vintage home decor inspiration ideas. Let's start the video. Country chic vintage home decor is a warm, charming and elegant interior design style that combines elements of rustic country living with the timeless appeal of vintage aesthetics. This style emphasizes comfort, nostalgia, and natural beauty, often with a touch of feminine or shabby chic charm. Key elements of country chic vintage home decor is a soft color palettes like whites, creams, pastels, like soft pinks, mint, dusty blues, and earthy tones. Light and airy color schemes enhance the vintage charm and create a cozy feel. Use distressed and weathered finishes, furniture and decor often look aged or repurposed. Chippy paint, exposed wood grains, and old finishes are typical. Antique and vintage finds incorporate this vintage furniture, heirlooms, flower market treasures, and upcycled pieces. Items like old trunks, enamel iron bed frames, or vintage mirrors are common. Natural materials use oats often reclaimed, linen, cotton, jute, wicker, and metal. These elements add texture and authenticity to the space. Uses floral and gingham patterns, soft floral prints and checks, or gingham patterns for textiles like curtains, tablecloths, or pillows. Rustic farmhouse touches think open shelving, passengers, barn doors, and galvanized metal accessories. Combines rustic utility with vintage softness. Romantic and feminine accents, ruffled cushion, lace curtains, candle holders, and vintage candelabras add elegance and charm. Personal and handmade details, DIY crafts, handwritten design, framed old letters, or botanical prints personalize the space. Country chic vintage decor is ideal for those who love the simplicity and comfort of country life, blended with the elegance of vintage treasures. It is about telling a story through decor, evoking nostalgia and coziness with every bit. Origin and philosophy. Country chic vintage decor is rooted in rural charm and vintage nostalgia. It draws inspiration from English countryside cottages, French provincial homes, and American farmhouse style. The goal is to create a cozy, lived-in look that feels authentic, welcoming, and timeless. It is not about perfection, it is about comfort, charm, and surrounding yourself with pieces that have history, character, and height. Mood and atmosphere. This style creates a relaxed, romantic, and homely feel. Spaces are made to be inviting and easygoing, often filled with natural light, warm, muted tones, layered textures, a mix of old and new, especially things that look like they have been handed down through generations. Furniture and decor. Furniture characteristics, usually vintage or antique, are made to look that way. Features curved lines, carved old or distressed paint finishes. Think princess style armoires, farmhouse dining tables, window dressers, and sleek covered armchairs. Decorative accessories, old picture frames, vintage floral china, old clocks, mirrors, and charms. Lanterns, candles, and rustic cretas. Handmade coils and crocheted toiles. Textiles, use of linen, cotton, lace, and burlap. Classic prints, like florals, gingham, tulle, and ticking stripes. Use layered textiles like rugs over wood floors plus throws and cushions with ruffles. Natural elements. Nature plays a role in this decor style. Fresh flowers like roses, peonies, lavender, or wildflowers. Use wicker baskets, wooden bowls, and clay pots. Decor that celebrate the seasons and simplicity, like giant herbs, pine cones, or fruit in bowls. Lighting. Soft ambient lighting is essential, warm and not too bright. Use vintage-style lamps, candelabras with crystals, old iron fixtures, or lantern-style pendants. Candles and fairy lights also enhance the romantic feel. Wall decor. Gallery walls with antique portraits, floral prints, or vintage sign. Wainscoted, bedboard, or faded floral wallpaper. Use repurposed items like old window frames, vintage cutting boards, or reclaimed shutters used decoratively. House differs from similar styles. Farmhouse. Key difference: more rustic and functional, less decorative and feminine than country chic vintage. Shabby chic, even more feminine and distressed, with pastel overload. Country chic is more balanced and earthy. Cottagecore. Similar aesthetic but more whimsical and nature inspired. Country chic is rooted more in tradition. Prince Country shares many charms but uses more ornate and elegant features like gilded mirrors or lounge chairs. Quick styling tips: mix new and old. A modern sofa with a vintage trunk coffee table. Shop secondhand. Tip the stores, flower markets, estate sales are your best friend. Add personality. Display vintage books, family heirlooms, or handmade items. Focus on comfort. Soft cushions, cozy throws, and lifting touches are a must. Keep it balanced. Avoid going too cluttered. The charm lies in intentional layering. Cultural influences behind country chic vintage. This decor style draws from several traditional design influences: English countryside cottages, floral fabrics, teacups, and cozy looks with fireplaces. French Provençal. Ornate furniture with distressed finishes, pastel tones, and refined rustic elegance. American farmhouses, simpler lines, reclaimed materials, and functionality with warmth. Scandinavian country adds minimalism and brightness, with a focus on natural light and wood. By blending these influences, Country Chic Vintage offers a romantic yet grounded aesthetic. Advanced color layering. Color plays a big role in setting the tone of the space. But the basic creams and pastels, here is how layering works in this style. Base layer, soft whites, ivory, pale beige, or muted grays as a clean backdrop. Accent layer, shades green, dusty rose, pale blue, lavender, and butter yellow. Texture layer, oven tooth, aged oud, lace, ruffles, or galvanized metal to add depth and tactile interest. Think of your room like a vintage postcard, gentle leaves faded by time and sunlight. Seasonal styling ideas. This style shifts beautifully with the seasons. Spring. Add wildflowers in enamel pictures, floral table genres, and pastel throw pillows. Summer. Latin textiles. Soft, heavier curtains for sheer. Use fresh sharps and kitchen accents. Fall. Introduce dried flowers, plate throws, rustic crosses, and vintage copper peaches. Winter. Use cozy knits, antique candle holders, silver or mercury glass, and nostalgic holiday decorations. Common materials used. These are the signature materials that give this style: stole, oud, reclaimed, painted, or distressed. Pine oak bricks, metal, oak iron, galvanized steel, copper, fabrics, linen, cotton, lace, muslin, burlap. Ceramics, hand painted or vintage floral pottery, milk glass, vintage bottles, sargent lamps, and cut glass. Popular decor themes and objects. Here frequently use decor objects that define the style. Mason jars with candles or wildflowers. Old doors repurposed as headboards or wall art. Farmhouse sink in kitchens with vintage buckets. TV painted leathers used as blanket rack. Wire baskets, enamel trays, and chalkboards. Use botanical prints, vintage maps, or old family portraits. How to keep it fresh? Modern country chic. To modernize country chic vintage without losing its charm. Edit clutter, keep only meaningful pieces, and avoid overlayering. Mix eras. Pair a vintage touch with a sleek modern sofa or light picture. Screen lines balance ornate details with more contemporary furniture silhouettes. Add greenery, live plants and herbs. Freshen up the traditional elements. Opt for quality over quantity. A few well-loved pieces have more impact than too many small items. DIY projects for country chic vintage style. Some fun, budget-friendly DIY ideas include painting chipped furniture in milk or chalk paint with a distressed finish, Creating your own floral drape or centerpiece with chat lavender and ribbon. Making fabric bunching from scrap floral cloth. Reusing old windows or shutters as wall art or photo frames. Turning finger stems into candle holders or flower pots. The emotional core of Country Chic Vintage Decor. Country Chic Vintage Decor is not just a style, it's a feeling. It appeals to people who value nostalgia, a connection to simpler times, family traditions, and heirloom treasures. Romanticism, a love for soft beauty, aesthetic elegance, and dreamy surroundings. Simplicity, a preference for authenticity over perfection. Own oud is more beautiful than plastic polish. Comfort, homes feel lived in, layered, and warmed, where every item has a story or purpose. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.